Hi, in this video we will be talking about financial stress. Watch this video to the end to delve into the causes of financial stress, its impacts, and comprehensive strategies for managing and overcoming it. Welcome back to the International CEO. Financial stress, a prevalent concern affecting millions worldwide, is the distress caused by financial pressures and uncertainties. It is a multifaceted phenomenon that intersects with various aspects of one's life, including mental health, relationships, productivity, and long-term financial stability. This essay delves into the causes of financial stress, its impacts, and comprehensive strategies for managing and overcoming it. Causes of financial stress. The roots of financial stress are diverse, stemming from both external and internal factors. Common causes include debt. High levels of debt, especially high-interest debt such as credit card balances, can lead to a significant financial burden. The pressure to meet monthly payments can create a constant state of worry. Inadequate savings. Lack of emergency savings or retirement funds can exacerbate financial stress, as unexpected expenses or the prospect of an insecure future can provoke anxiety. Income instability. Fluctuating incomes, such as those experienced by gig workers or individuals in commission-based roles, can make financial planning challenging and stressful. Living beyond means. Lifestyle inflation, or increasing one's spending in line with increases in income, can lead to financial strain if not managed carefully. Economic conditions. Recessions, high inflation rates, and job market instability can heighten financial stress by creating uncertainty about one's financial future. Impacts of financial stress. The effects of financial stress extend far beyond the wallet, impacting various aspects of life. Mental health. There is a strong correlation between financial stress and mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and stress-related illnesses. The constant worry about finances can take a toll on one's mental well-being. Physical health. Financial stress can also lead to physical health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and sleep disturbances, as chronic stress affects the body in numerous ways. Relationships. Financial issues are a common source of tension in relationships. Disagreements over spending habits, financial goals, and debt can strain partnerships and family dynamics. Productivity. Stress about finances can distract individuals at work, leading to decreased productivity, absenteeism, and even job loss, further exacerbating financial difficulties. Managing financial stress. Managing financial stress requires a multifaceted approach, addressing both the psychological aspects of stress and the underlying financial issues. Budgeting. Creating a realistic budget that includes savings, debt repayment, and living expenses can help manage financial stress by providing a clear plan for financial health. Emergency savings. Building an emergency fund can provide a financial buffer against unexpected expenses, reducing the stress associated with unforeseen financial shocks. Debt management. Strategies such as debt consolidation, negotiating with creditors, or seeking professional debt counseling can help manage debt levels and reduce financial burdens. Income stability. Seeking additional sources of income, such as part-time work or side gigs, can help alleviate financial stress by providing a more stable financial foundation. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Practices such as meditation, exercise, and therapy can help manage the psychological effects of financial stress, promoting mental well-being. Overcoming financial stress. Overcoming financial stress is a journey that involves both immediate actions to alleviate current stress and long-term strategies to prevent future financial pressures. Financial education. Improving financial literacy through courses, reading, or workshops can empower individuals to make informed financial decisions, reducing the likelihood of future stress. Goal setting. Setting realistic financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying off debt, can provide motivation and direction for financial planning. Seeking professional help. Financial advisors, credit counselors, and mental health professionals can offer guidance and support for managing both the financial and emotional aspects of financial stress. Community support. Engaging with support groups or community organizations can provide emotional support and practical advice for managing financial challenges. Continuing from the foundation laid in the first part of our discussion on financial stress, we delve deeper into the multifaceted nature of this issue, exploring additional dimensions and solutions to navigate through the complexities of financial anxiety and insecurity. The psychological underpinnings of financial stress. At the heart of financial stress lies a psychological battle. The fear of not having enough, The anxiety over future uncertainties, and the shame or guilt associated with financial missteps contribute significantly to financial stress. These feelings can be exacerbated by societal pressures and the stigma surrounding debt and financial struggles. Understanding these emotional dynamics is crucial for addressing the root causes of financial stress. Cognitive behavioral approaches. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, has proven effective in managing various forms of stress, including financial stress, by addressing the negative thought patterns that contribute to emotional distress. Applying CBT principles, individuals can learn to challenge and reframe their thoughts about money, debt, and financial success, reducing the psychological impact of financial stress. Emotional resilience and financial stress. Building emotional resilience is another critical strategy. Resilience helps individuals navigate financial setbacks with greater ease and recover more quickly from financial blows. Practices such as gratitude, focusing on aspects of life that are not defined by financial status, and cultivating a growth mindset can enhance emotional resilience. Societal and economic factors in financial stress. Financial stress does not exist in a vacuum. It is influenced by broader societal and economic factors, including wage stagnation, the rising cost of living, and systemic inequality. These factors can make financial stability feel out of reach for many, fueling feelings of frustration and helplessness. The role of social support. Social support plays a vital role in mitigating financial stress. Strong social networks can provide not only emotional support but also practical assistance, such as sharing resources, financial advice, and opportunities for additional income. Communities and social groups can also offer a sense of belonging and collective strength in facing financial challenges. Advanced financial management strategies. Beyond basic budgeting and saving, more sophisticated financial management strategies can offer long-term solutions to financial stress. These include investing. Learning to invest wisely can grow wealth over time, providing financial security and reducing stress related to income instability. Diversifying income. Diversifying sources of income, including passive income streams, can reduce reliance on a single source of income, buffering against financial stress caused by job loss or income fluctuations. Advanced debt management techniques. Techniques such as debt avalanche or debt snowball methods can provide structured and psychologically satisfying ways to tackle debt, reducing the overwhelm associated with large debt loads. Technology and financial stress. Technological advancements offer new tools for managing financial stress. Personal finance apps can track spending, budgeting, and savings goals, providing real-time insights into financial health. Online platforms offer access to financial education, investment opportunities, and communities that share financial advice and support. Policy and institutional support for reducing financial stress. On a larger scale, policy changes and institutional support can play a significant role in reducing financial stress. Initiatives such as increased access to affordable healthcare, education, and housing, along with policies aimed at reducing income inequality and ensuring fair wages, can address some of the root causes of financial stress. Financial education in schools. Integrating financial education into school curriculums can equip future generations with the knowledge and skills needed to manage their finances effectively, potentially reducing financial stress in the long term. By understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and the wise use of credit from a young age, individuals can be better prepared to navigate the financial challenges of adulthood. Personal narratives and financial stress. Sharing personal experiences with financial stress and recovery can offer hope and guidance to others facing similar challenges. These narratives can break down the stigma surrounding financial struggles, encouraging a more open and supportive dialogue about financial health and well-being. Looking ahead. Building a financially stress-free future. The journey to overcoming financial stress is ongoing and evolves with life's changes and economic fluctuations. By adopting a holistic approach that addresses both the financial and psychological aspects of financial stress, individuals can build a foundation for a more secure and stress-free financial future. Continuing our exploration into financial stress, it's crucial to delve deeper into both its nuanced impacts and the strategies that can fortify individuals against the relentless tide of financial worries. Understanding the broader societal implications of widespread financial stress can illuminate paths toward more resilient personal and collective financial futures. Broader societal impacts. Financial stress doesn't just echo within the confines of an individual's life. it ripples through society, affecting economic stability, social cohesion, and even public health. Economies can suffer when large segments of the population are too financially stressed to participate fully in consumer spending, which drives economic growth. Additionally, the strain on public health systems from stress-related illnesses can be significant, pointing to the need for integrated solutions that address both financial health and well-being. Enhancing financial resilience. Building financial resilience is key to navigating and overcoming financial stress. This process involves not only managing current finances but also preparing for future uncertainties. Financial resilience can buffer against economic downturns, unexpected expenses, and the psychological toll of financial uncertainty. Diversification of income. Beyond seeking stability, diversifying income sources can provide a safety net. This might include investments, freelance work, or developing new skills that can open up additional income avenues. Long-term financial planning. Engaging in long-term financial planning, including retirement and estate planning, can alleviate the stress of the unknown. Understanding the trajectory of your financial future provides peace of mind and a sense of control. Community and social networks. Leveraging community resources and social networks can provide both emotional support and practical benefits. Local financial literacy workshops, savings clubs, or barter exchanges can offer valuable support and resources. The role of policy in education. Addressing financial stress goes beyond individual action. It requires a concerted effort from policymakers, educators, and financial institutions to create environments that promote financial literacy and well-being. Financial literacy education. Integrating financial literacy education into school curricula from an early age can equip future generations with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions, laying the groundwork for financial stability. Consumer protection policies. Strengthening consumer protection policies to guard against predatory lending practices and ensuring transparency in financial products can prevent many of the financial pitfalls that lead to stress. Access to financial services. Improving access to affordable financial services, especially for underserved communities, can play a critical role in building financial resilience. This includes access to banking, credit, and financial advice. Conclusion. The journey to overcoming financial stress is both personal and collective. It requires a multifaceted approach that includes personal management strategies, societal support systems, and policy interventions. By fostering financial literacy, building resilience, and advocating for supportive policies, individuals and societies can navigate the complexities of financial stress. Ultimately, the goal is not just to survive financial challenges but to thrive despite them, creating a more financially secure and stress-free future for all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.